This is so fun. Yo, this is gonna be a real slippery slope for me. Do a lot of really disrespectful things in order to piece this outfit together in 2 days with one, this corona furlough on my paycheck, and two, we're all on corona lockdown. So here's what I did. Okay, the most disrespectful thing I did was turn a wig that I had made out of a sew-in into a locks wig. I was this close to not doing the cosplay because the locks are a huge part. Like that is the whole concept, the whole essence. The Amazon Prime offerings for lock wigs were not cute at all. So I was like, I can either buy this wig from Amazon Prime and disrespect my lunch money, or I could be creative. So that's how we got to this situation. To make the elf ears, I made a dough using 1 cup of flour and 1/2 cup of salt, and adding between 1/4 and 1/2 cups of water until you create a clay or dough consistency. To dry the dough, you can put it in the oven at 200 degrees. I put mine in the oven, but my oven wasn't on, and I let it dry overnight. Then, in order to make it my skin color, use my foundation as paint and just smear that all over. As for feathers, took a few from there. For the sticks in my hair, some handy dandy chopsticks. And that's it, that's the look. Grab something white from my closet and turn the camera on. Yo, do you see this? You don't see nothing. This is my Niobe cosplay.